Sculpture. Sculpture is the branch of the visual arts in which the artwork is made in 3 dimensions. There are various techniques available to sculptors. 2 of the most traditional types of sculpture involved carving or modeling. Carving is when the sculptor removes material from the object. This is usually done by cutting or chipping away a shape from a piece of stone, wood, or other hard material. Modeling is when the artist adds material. This is achieved by building up a soft material such as clay and then shaping it to create a form. Another technique is assembling. This involves putting various materials together to create an assembled structure. The use of technology in art has presented sculptors with various other techniques too. The use of welding and casts is common for sculptures made of metal, and plastics can undergo any process the artists dare imagine. Sculpture can also vary in style. Some sculptors prefer their work to be realistic, while others prefer to be abstract. You can see sculptures in museums and art galleries. However, a sculptor usually has to produce a lot of work to be able to make money today. There are a lot of people trying to get their work known in the art world. So, a lot of time and patience is needed to succeed, and these days, a new idea is always an advantage.